everyone, and welcome to the MoveAbout Let's Do It Together series. Today we are going to make a paper caterpillar that can walk. All you need is a piece of paper, a ruler, a pencil, a texta, and a pair of scissors. Oh, and a straw. If you need any help, you can pause the video to ask mum or dad or anyone else in the house to help you. Now you have everything, let's get started. First we need to rule a square on our page. Can you mark out a 15 centimeter square and draw lines? Once you've drawn the lines, I need you to cut out the square. Now that the square is cut out, place it on the table and we'll move on to the next step. Next, fold the square in half. Once it's folded in half, unfold it so you have a crease in the middle. Next, fold the right side of the page to the center crease. Once this is done, repeat with the left side of the page. Now you've got both sides folded in, fold them all to the middle and squish them together. Now unfold it and you should have 4 segments. Pick one crease and cut along it so you have one slip of paper. Now that you have a smaller slip of paper, get ready because we're going to fold it again. Fold the paper in half, touching the short sides together. Unfold the paper and now place it on the table. Fold one end to the middle to meet the center crease. Now fold the same side again to the middle. Turn the paper around, fold the other side to the middle, and then again. Now you have all the folded pieces of paper. Take your scissors and slowly round the ends. Do it on both sides. Once this is done, place the paper back on the table. Slowly unfold the paper, making sure you don't flatten it all out. And your paper caterpillar should stand on the table. Next, get your texta. On one of the faces, we want to draw eyes, a mouth, and some antennae to make our caterpillar's face. Now you have your caterpillar, take out your straw. Aim to blow on the back part of the caterpillar and it should walk across the table.